Hello everybody, my name is Tom Martin, and my final project's intent was to create a grid of boxes so that I could display a very simple way of showing topography by just extruding these boxes up and down. So how I started was I tried to just simply create a grid in a 3D format, and this, what I'm showing right here is a grid, but unfortunately each of these cells really isn't editable in a simplistic way, at least where I'm at in my work. So I nixed that, decided that that probably wasn't the best way of going about it. So from there I decided to just create a single cell program where there was one cell that I could edit in a really simple fashion. So I created this one where every time that I would press the key S, my box would grow by 5 in each direction. So that was very successful, but I realized that I needed to take it a step further by placing these boxes in a grid format but adjacent to each other so that it gave the appearance of a grid. So doing that, I used the this is my final grid. I used the translate, the pop matrix, and the push matrix tools to kind of eventually come up with this, which is my final grid. And so by pressing these different keys and also by being able to use the mouse drag tool, I'm able to raise different grids up or down, and they can also go in the other direction. So this gives me a great framework to be able to control these different boxes, and I think that if I could apply this to a much larger format, I've got something that I'd really find to be interesting. The other thing that I'm hoping to push forward with on this project is to understand how I can do this in a little bit more of a streamlined fashion as opposed to using multiple keys on the key pressed function, because right now I've got about 18 different keys that I'm using to move these boxes both up and down. So it's a great start, and I'm very happy with where it's gone. But with that, this is the end of my project. Thank you very much.